Hi boys and girls, and welcome back to class today. Now on today, we're going to have a sound effect challenge. And for that challenge today, I'm going to say the word, introduce you to the action for the word, and then you have to guess what word I'm saying by using the action. Are you ready? Okay. Welcomed. Home. Again. Welcomed. Home. Again. Welcome. Home. Again. Now here it goes. I'm going to do the action and you give me the word. Are you ready? Let's go. Awesome job, guys. Very good job. Give yourselves a pat on the back.